What are the main features of Java? The first one is object-oriented. Everything in Java is object. It supports object-oriented programming concepts like inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, and abstraction. Second, it is platform independent. It means Java is designed to be platform independent at both the source and the binary level. And this is achieved through the Java Virtual Machine (JVM), which allows Java to run or execute it on any device or the operating system that has a JVM. The slogan "Write once and run anywhere" captures this feature. Next, it is very simple. It is designed to be easy to learn and use. It has a straightforward syntax similar to C and C++, but with the fewer low-level facilities and more robust memory management systems. It is secure. Java provides a secure environment for developing and running applications. It includes the features such as bytecode verification, sandboxing, and cryptography to protect against security threats. Java's strong memory management and error handling makes it one of the most robust programming language. It is multi-threaded. Java has inbuilt support for multi-threaded programming, allowing developers to write programs that can perform many tasks simultaneously. Just-in-time and the other optimization techniques have been used to increase the performance of Java. And the last one is a strong community. Java has a large and active community, which means extensive documentation, wealth of libraries, and the frameworks such as Spring, Hibernate,